Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Philips Fidelio T1 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to disable dual connection. So open Philips headphones. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then go to the settings at the right bottom, and at the first line we have multi-point connection. Disable this mode because with dual connection you may have connection instability. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. So maybe this one is fix your problem. But if it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and then inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press 2 times at this button, and then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click parent device at the top if your Android have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Then if you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So tap on them at the device list and we have connection. Now check. If the factory reset didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line and then click reset. Then you need to select reset network settings. There is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap at this line and then write your password. And then click Reset Network Settings. But again, once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the system. So we need to scroll down, enter into the system, and then scroll down again. And at the bottom we have our set options, at least on stock Android. So enter here, and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!